You've been studying for hours, but nothing's sticking. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a way to study half the time and remember double the content? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple hacks to study smarter, not harder. Let's go. Welcome to Study Hacks Academy, your go-to place for mastering study skills the smart way. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump into the first tip. Tip number 1. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It helps your brain stay sharp and prevents burnout. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. This keeps your brain fresh and alert. Tip number 2. Teach what you learn. If you can explain a concept in simple terms, you truly understand it. Pretend you're teaching a friend or even your dog. It's called the Feynman technique, and it's powerful. Tip number 3. Use active recall. Instead of rereading, close the book and quiz yourself. It forces your brain to retrieve the information, which strengthens your memory like a workout for your mind. Tip number 4. Space out your learning. Studying the same material over a few days, not cramming, helps you remember it long term. That's called spaced repetition. Tip number 5. Study in short bursts. 20 to 40 minutes max. After that, your brain loses focus. Studying smarter means knowing when to stop too. Let's recap. Use Pomodoro. Teach others. Active recall. Space your sessions. Study in bursts. These aren't just hacks, they're backed by science. Which tip are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for daily study hacks. Tomorrow's video, the ultimate note-taking system for students, don't miss it. Until next time, study smarter, not harder.